welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making, I want to say like a cheese steak pasta. It's a one-pot pasta that delivers delicious flavors for a classic Philly steak cheesesteak sandwich. Okay, so here's our ribeye steaks. They are frozen. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to break it apart. It was 2 pieces. And here I'm just going to slice them thinly, real thin. And here I'm going to show you how thin I like mine. Now for our ingredients, we have olive oil, bell pepper, onions, we have some mushrooms, ribeye steak that is frozen that we're going to slice thinly. We have salt, black pepper, garlic, all-purpose flour. We have some beef stock, heavy whipping cream, Worcestershire sauce. We have some pasta and some mozzarella cheese shredded. We're going to heat our oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Here I'm going to add in my ribeye steak, and I'm going to cook my steak until my beef starts to brown. So we're seasoning up our steak with some black pepper, some garlic powder, some salt, and we're just going to mix that around, and we're going to cook our beef until it starts to turn brown. And once it starts to turn brown and it's cooked to your liking, which it is here, I'm going to take it out of my pan and I'm going to put it to the side. And here I'm going to start working on my vegetables. I did put some oil in the pan. You want to make sure that your skillet is medium to high heat. Here I added some onions, some red bell peppers, some white onions, and some red onions. I had a mixture left over. Here's some garlic that I picked up that I wanted to try, and I'm going to add it there. And I'm just going to stir fry this mixture anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. And now I'm going to add in my mushrooms. And you want to cook those to your liking also. I like for my mushrooms to get a little char on them. And that's how I like my mushrooms. So once we are done stir frying our vegetables, you're going to add in your heavy whipping cream. I added some water, but later on I'm going to add in some beef broth. So here is the cornstarch. As I'm showing you, here is the beef bouillon that I use. And I'm just going to mix everything up. And we're going to let everything simmer anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm just mixing it in, making sure that my beef bouillon is mixed in really well. Here I added my Worcestershire sauce. We're going to mix that in really well. And here I'm adding my beef back. You want to make sure that you cook your pasta before this. I did cook my pasta before this. I did not show you. I did it off camera. So once your beef is in, you're going to add some cheese. This is mozzarella cheese and a little bit of Parmesan. We're just going to mix that in to make sure that the cheese is melted into our sauce. So I'm just mixing that in really well. And it's starting to look really yummy. And it's starting to smell really good in here. So here's my pasta. I drained it. I set it aside like I said before. And we're just going to add the pasta in. And you want to make sure that you mix everything really well when you add your pasta in. So you want to make sure that your sauce covers everything, your noodles and your meat. So once that is mixed in really well, I'm going to add the top to it and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Let everything gel together, get that yummy, yummy taste. And here I took my top off and I added the rest of my mozzarella cheese, which you want to use about a cup and a half of mozzarella cheese. It turned out really yummy. I added some seasonings to the top. I added a little bit of seasoning salt and a little bit of Italian seasoning and a little bit of paprika. I'm going to put the top back on. I'm going to let my cheese melt. And then we're going to give you this beautiful, beautiful after look. I added some parsley on the top. And baby, look at this delicious pasta. This is my version of a Philly cheesesteak pasta. And let me tell you, it was delicious. And here we bring you in so you could see it up close. And it was saucy. Today we made a Philly cheesesteak pasta. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.
And thank you for watching Baby We Eat.